What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to edit a PDF file for free. There are many options out there, but we'll be showing you the easiest and best option at the moment. You're going to go over to pdfsimply.com. This is how it looks like, and you just simply need to type this in and it's going to take you right here. Now once you get here, you could decide to log in, or of course you could go ahead and drag and drop a PDF file. That's what we're going to do at this time. We're going to drop a file right here. Great, so this is just a PDF and there are several things we could do with it. You have some options right here and we're just going to be showing you some examples. So if you'd like to sign on your document, you can go over to signature, or you can simply click on draw, then use the pencil and draw your signature. So we have a signature right there. So you can simply do that if you'd like to sign on your document. If you'd like to add text, you can come over here and click on text, click right here and write in anything. You can select it, increase the font, select it again, change the font style. You have a few options right here, so you could choose from it. And there you have a signed document and a document that you've written some information. So all you need to do is to come over to this website, use the options that are available, and you can successfully edit your PDF all for free.